What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I am rolling right now in the BMW B58 G3540i M Sport. That's a mouthful. Today we're getting one of the very first major modifications since I've got in here to Nevada done, courtesy of my homeboy, which I'm gonna show you here in just a minute. So this is my homeboy Carlos right here. Carlos has this Mini Cooper GP. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's got the B58 B-slow motor in it. These are limited edition. They were super limited in terms of availability. I don't know exactly how many. I think it was like 600. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was 2,000. I know there wasn't a lot of these made. Anyway, he had one. It got into an accident. It got destroyed. He got another one. Then someone hit this door, but it's all good. Anyway, this thing is fast as hell. We're gonna try to keep up, but we're on the way to the exhaust shop because it's time to get this thing right, man. Me trying to keep up with this Mini is gonna be hard, man. I already know. He's running a 100 octane tune on the damn thing too. 100 octane. Damn, man. 100 octane on this Mini Cooper. I know this thing is running like a scat, like a rape date, man. Like, dang, man. That's all I can tell you. That thing is quick. I actually kind of like the taillights too, where they look like the half sides of the Union Jack on each side, the British flags. So that's a cool little touch. Anyway, I got a little bit of a drive ahead, and we'll tap back in as soon as we get to the exhaust shop. These guys be getting shit done out here, man. Major shout out to Carlos for bringing me up here, but major shout out to Downtown Mufflers here in Las Vegas for getting me right. They just got done doing that. They're gonna do this one next.
Yeah, I mean, that's good for business. It's literally like coming in and closing the doors down because we come in on Sundays and we just leave at least half the time people still come up. Like, look, it's already here.
All right, guys, so you see it. She's open now. They're gonna get some stuff done to her in a few minutes, and this thing gonna sound like a whole different car, man. I know I had to do it. I know y'all was like, you didn't have this car 4 months and it's still quiet. True story is that the people in North Carolina just didn't want to touch it. So, but now, you know, we got a competent shop out here that, you know, is like, whatever, let's go. So we're gonna get this thing knocked out. Oh, they did the exhaust on the M3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They straight piped it off. That's why I love this joint, bro. They did, when I had my 901 car,
Yeah.
dude, they fucking did all the turbo piping and everything. it is. If not, he's gonna have to take that off.
I think so.
Not much though. Yeah, fuck that.
It's gotta go.
Yeah, that shit's gotta go. Alright guys, so it just wasn't loud enough, so we gotta go a little bit harder.
On that bitch. On a 4-banger. And literally, bro, we smoked a 10-second Civic with that shit, and then the motor blew up.
That's ridiculous.
Bro, I just put every fuck it.
Yeah, man.
It is what it is, bro. It is what it is.
I had to get it done. I just fuck it. I waited too long.
Bro, that shit's all.
Alright guys, so you can see we got one side done. They wide piped it. Fresh pipe all the way through. You see we got the quad tips on deck. The thing's gonna be an absolute beast when it's done.
No me dijeron que no tomara, pero por mi cuenta, como me dieron pastillas. ¿Qué te dieron la pastilla para el diabetes? No, no, para... The card is from Texas or Louisiana, but the computer's all the way in fucking New York.
Yeah, that
That's
looks
fucking fraud, bro.
that looks shady. Oh yeah.
There we go.
That's a lot better. Yeah, I can do that. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. Yeah, hit it. Yeah. Well, there it is, guys. You guys can see the tips. She looks nice and clean. You know, I like my quad tip shit. And now she's ready to go. Major shout out to Downtown Mufflers here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna put all their information in the description down below. Make sure you, if you're in the Las Vegas area, make sure you tap in with them to get any of your exhaust work done out here, because I can tell you, they do professional, super professional work. So y'all want to hear it? She sounds like a whole different car, man. And there's more power and everything. With no cats or nothing, this thing is running like a beast. Wow. Wow, she sounds good, man. That's all I can say is she sounds really good. But it's not offensively loud. even when it's straight piped with the big pipe that it's being used, they put I think it's 3.5 inch or 4 inch. I know it was bigger than what was stock on there, and even in the flat part. She sounds good, man. She sounds damn good. You know, we got to do the tunnel test, right? Tunnel test.
Perfect.